Hey, hello everybody, welcome to the channel. So today is Sunday, we're here at church and we wanted to share our church with you. Of course, Lynn goes more than I do. I try to go as often as I can, but this is our church. The name of its church is
Jesus the Faithful Church.
and we're in Langham.
Yeah, we're in
We're in
Langham.
Langham. And so we hope you enjoyed. I did a little bit of videos from the inside. We had a guest speaker today who was great.
Yeah,
And
Teacher
stuff.
Gerald Ory. He have also a channel, YouTube
Right.
channel, big channel.
So
Yeah.
we hope you enjoy it, and we hope you're having a great day, a great week, and Christmas is around the corner. We hope everybody's staying safe, and
Yeah.
don't overstress yourself just because it's Christmas. Presents don't mean everything. Give love to everybody in your family, and everybody will be happy.
Yeah, and we welcome 2026 with a victorious and more blessing.
Happy. Okay.
Yeah.
God bless.
God bless everyone.
Jesus ang pangako mo, ako'y di mag-isa, hindi mababayaan. The Lord iiwan kailanman, tapat ang pangako mo, at di ka nagbabago. Wala nang papantay sa pag-ibig mo,
Panginoon, walang hanggang pasasalamat po sa Diyos kasi po ako po naririto pa sa inyong harapan. Ano po, may isang araw po ng buhay ko na hindi ko po makakalimutan.
Dahan-dahan yung likod ng katabi niyo, babae, lalaki. Sabi mo, lalabas kang malakas. Lalabas kang walang utang. Lalabas kang walang karamdaman. Lalabas kang malakas ng taong ito. Amen? Come on, clap your hands for Jesus. Madali. Tagal ng babae naman. Ang mag-asawa, sa araw ng kanilang honeymoon, ang lalaki naglalabas. Amen? Ang lalaki naglalabas. Ang babae tatanggapin. After nun, papasok sa kanya sinapupunan, after 9 months, may magiging anak. Ang lalaki naglalabas. Ibig sabihin, nagpo-provide. Ang tatay nagpo-provide ng love, nagpo-provide ng protection, nagpo-provide ng resources, nagsusupply. Ang lalaki naglalabas yan. Hindi ka lalaki pag hindi ka nagsusupply. Ang babae, lahat ng binibigay ng kanyang mister, ini-incubate niya. Can I get an amen? Kaya kapag ang mag-asawa naglabas ang lalaki, napunta sa babae, after 9 months may lalabas. Sa lahat ng mga misis, taas kamay. Say mo, Lord, bless the works of my hand. Nothing will die, nothing will be wasted with my hands. Every time na may ibibigay ang asawa mo sa'yo, pagyayamanin mo yan. Lord, ito po yung sweldo ng asawa ko, kukunti lang, pero ito'y pawis niya, dugo niya, kuyat niya, para